pyramid youth for meditation in ahimsa. When I was young, I did not have a paima like this. See, nobody taught me meditation when I went to school, primary school, middle school, high school, college. I was not taught meditation. In my home, nobody taught me any meditation. But now you are so very lucky. You have got a big pyramid for yourself. My goodness. How lucky you are. How unlucky I was in my youth. How lucky you are in your youth. You can easily become a Buddha plus Gandhi plus Jesus. Very easily through meditation. In my younger days, the goal was to become a doctor or engineer. Stupid goal. And when I couldn't get a seat in MBBS, I started going on Tangband Road to commit suicide. That was the education I got. Either you must become a doctor or engineer. But now we say, either you become a Buddha or Mahatma Gandhi, Jesus. We don't want any engineer or doctor. Yes, if you want to become an engineer, become a pyramid engineer.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.